When you decide to upgrade your PeopleSoft product, you need a straightforward process to identify the new features and functionalities added since your current release. This information helps with fit or gap analysis, planning application customizations, and meeting other implementation and upgrade requirements. The PeopleSoft Cumulative Feature Overview provides brief descriptions of the solutions and features introduced between PeopleSoft releases. There's no need to download multiple files or check My Oracle support for updates. You don't have to read through extensive release notes or other documents to get this information. The web-based Cumulative Feature Overview tool works for every PeopleSoft product. Our Excel-based version of this online tool has received excellent feedback from customers. This online tool provides a source for the latest feature information and is automatically updated across all PeopleSoft products. Select your desired product line from the list. Select individual products one by one, or choose all products within a product line with a single click. Select your current software release or image. By default, the target release is set to the most recent version, but you can select your preferred target release for the upgrade. With a single click, the tool instantly generates a customized list of high-level feature summaries introduced between the releases you select. You can view the generated report as a single, scrollable list or across multiple pages, depending on the number of features. Each page displays a list of 100 features. Use the Next button to view all the features if more features are available between the selected releases. The report provides a short description of each feature, specifies the product it belongs to, and indicates the software release or image number in which each feature was introduced. The report also provides links to documentation pages for each feature. Use the documentation link to access setup information or the primary location where the feature is documented in PeopleSoft Online Help. If you select a feature that isn't from the most recent release, you'll see a message that you're not viewing the latest online help. To continue reading the feature documentation from that release, you can ignore the message by clicking the Close button. If you want to view documentation for the latest release, make a note of the topic heading and click the Go to the Latest Version Now link to open the latest online help in a new window. The system takes you to the latest version of Online Help, where you can use the table of contents on the left side, or use the global search to navigate to that particular topic. Select the topic that you noted earlier. The system displays the topic from the most current release. If a feature requires additional configuration, such as roles and permissions, the necessary steps, along with relevant paths and topic hyperlinks, are available in the Setting Up section for that topic. When a video feature overview is available for a feature, the CFO displays a VFO icon. Select this link to watch the video feature overview on the Oracle YouTube channel. Scroll down to the bottom of the Cumulative Feature Overview report to access the Export to Excel link. Click the Export to Excel link to download the complete feature list from the generated report in Microsoft Excel for further reporting and analysis. The online Cumulative Feature Overview provides concise summaries of the enhancements and updates available when upgrading your PeopleSoft system. In just a few clicks, you can generate a customized list of all features added between selected releases. To get started, go to PeopleSoftCFOTool.com to access the PeopleSoft Cumulative Feature Overview page and discover features you had yet to explore.